This action starts early in the morning and ends in the evening. It can be hard or easy to do. It helps people to earn money. What is it? Hello, friends. Happy to see you. My name is Alina. Here, I teach English for work and life. Today, we are going to explore some practical and useful phrases with the verb to work. Also, we will consider some basic idioms with this verb. But before we start, I would like to say that this video will have a second part because it's really important to consider some phrasal verbs with to work as well. So let's begin. Basically, the verb to work has two meanings. More commonly, it means to do a job, especially the job you do to earn money. It can also mean to be effective or successful. But the most difficult part with this verb is using correct prepositions in context. So let's explore these aspects by answering one simple question differently. So the question is, where do you work? I work at the university. I work as a manager. I work for Google. I work in education. I like to work with people. Okay, it's time to sum it all up. So when you say work at, it's usually about some specific physical place of your work. When you say work as, it's usually about your job, your occupation, your position, your profession. When you say work for, it's usually about who you work for. It can be company or employer, or it can be you. For example, you can say, I work for myself. If you are a businessman or an entrepreneur, you can say, I work for myself. Work in. If you say work in, it's usually about your field, your area, your industry. For example, I work in education. I work in finance. I work in business. I work in service, and so on. And finally, when you say work with, it's usually about just people or things you work with. For example, generally, I work with people, and more precisely, I work with little kids. I work with teenagers. I work with elder people. I work with adults, and so on. And on the contrary, with things, right? I work with equipment. I work with specific tools. I work with software. Or we can say, I work with difficult situations. I work with complicated cases. Nice. Okay, great. And now it's time to consider some practical and useful phrases with the verb to work for everyday situations. So let's start with to work hard. It speaks for itself, isn't it? So to work hard. Firefighters work hard every day. Work long hours. Doctors usually work long hours because of the specific of their job. So to work overtime, it means to work some extra working hours. For example, she often works overtime. To work full time, it's about schedule. For example, she prefers to work full time from 9 a.m. To 6 p.m. To work part time, it's like on the contrary. I prefer to work part time because I have little kids. To work from home, again, it speaks for itself. So, for example, my friend works from home because it's very convenient. To work in a team, we work in a customer support team. So, and we are a great department. To work alone, again, it speaks for itself. I enjoy working alone. To work under pressure. That's interesting. So, for example, my boss is moody, or like my boss is a moody person. Sometimes our team works under pressure because of him. And last one, to work at night. So really it's like very typical. For example, the bank works at night. Nice. And now it's time to practice a little bit. So please repeat after me. To work hard. To work long hours. To work overtime. To work full time. To work part-time, to work from home, to work in a team, to work alone, to work under pressure, to work at night. Well done! You did a really cool job. It's time to consider some basic idioms with the verb to work. So here they are. Work a treat, work like a charm, work wonders, miracles. Work your fingers to the bone. Work like a dog. Work until you drop. Work your way around to something. What are their meanings? How do you think? Let's find it out together. So, work a treat. It means when something operates really well. For example, our new motivation system works a treat. To work like a charm. That's a really positive one. It means to be effective, possibly in a very surprising way. For example, compliments work like a charm on bosses. To work wonders, miracles, it's to produce very good result, good effect. For example, a short break works miracles for your energy. Next one is really tough. Work your fingers to the bone. So it means to work extremely hard, especially for a long time. For example, she worked her fingers to the bone to support her family. Next one is to somewhat from a similar work like a dog. So it also to work very hard. For example, I work like a dog to finish my project on time. And next one is also really, really tough and it sounds a little bit unhappy. Yeah? So work until you drop. It means to work until you are so tired that you cannot continue, you cannot work anymore. So she worked till she dropped to meet that deadline. And last one is quite neutral. So working your way around to something. It means to prepare yourself slowly for doing something. For example, he worked his way around to asking for a raise. So that's all. Now let's trend a little bit. So please repeat after me. Work a treat. Work like a charm. Work wonders. Work miracles. Work your fingers to the bone. Work like a dog. Work until you drop. Work your way around to something. Great! You did a really great job today. Well done. Please, before you go, write in the comments below this video which of these idioms you liked the most. It's really interesting for me. So far that's all. Thank you. Stay positive. Keep on practicing. It's your turn to shine.